do a Cheerio challenge, a three-way Cheerio challenge between the trx4 Bronco Sport and the 21 Bronco, and then the Ecto. The Ecto and the Bronco Sport both have J-concept ruptures, and the 21 Bronco has the landmines. So we're gonna draw straws. Medium.
You got the longest.
I get the longest. What's that mean?
You go last.
You go last.
All right.
I'm going first.
It looks like it.
Here, Wyatt's in the middle.
Go. Well, we got to fill up.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody come to the gas station.
How much are Cheerios a gallon? Crawler kitty don't care how much they are. She can eat them all.
Out of there. She made them all sticky.
She likes her Cheerios.
I just picked them up, Crawler. Get out of there. Okay, Wyatt. Crawler's gonna take your Cheerios. Okay.
It's kind of hot out.
I know, and I have a sunburn. I don't know if we're gonna have enough Cheerios.
Yeah, we will.
Oh, I hope. Okay.
All right, look out, George.
Is that my truck?
George is liking them too.
Okay, who's going first?
I'm first, so let's go.
Okay, ready?
Okay, so here we go. I'm in first. Wyatt's in second. And Liz is in third. Wyatt and I think I said we're both running the ruptures. Gigantic 1.9 tires. Had to do a lot of work to the trx4 Sport to make them fit. Ecto, they fit pretty easy. Might rub a little, but not bad. Liz has got her landmines. I think all three of us have Holmes Hobby motors too in these. Crawlmasters. I'm gonna go right over here to one of Wyatt's new parts that he built on the new section.
Wyatt, it's so tough. I don't know why you're picking that line.
I'm actually gonna go over.
You're probably gonna get that line with that truck and we're gonna fail.
Oh, my Cheerio cup.
Let's make sure you stick it down.
Yeah.
Do you need another piece of tape?
Yeah, I think I need more tape. Okay, I had to put a little more tape on my cup. It's
Crawler's getting ready to steal your Cheerios.
It's still not great, but it might do something. Yeah, I don't even think, I'm not gonna try that yet. I'm gonna go over here to the left side. The right side is just... I still don't think I'm far enough left. Let me get over a little bit more. Oh my goodness. So if you get your tire in that hole, you can't do it. Ah. This is. I don't think there was a breath the whole time we were doing that. It's a little. Oh, look at that. The sport making it look easy.
Oh my gosh, Wyatt.
Alright, we're going to have to get out of your way here a little bit. I don't like to move enough, I think.
How did he do that?
I don't know. He made that one look easy.
He sure did. I've been paying close attention to that.
Yeah, that's not it.
What'd you say?
Isn't that what either of us did?
I watched you guys do it.
Yep.
That's not how you did it?
No, you're doing exactly what I said you can't do.
Oh, great. I thought this is what you did.
You got to stay to the left of that hole. You made it last night, though.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, Mom did. It's the same truck.
This truck, I made it
There you go.
right up here.
Oh, that's getting at the top.
Oh, shoot. Don't know how I got up there last time. Jeez.
Woo! You did it. All right. When I come down, Wyatt's going to go to the lead. I'm going to the last, and you're in the middle. So we're definitely at past 5
You mean to
minutes.
put your cup, squish it down?
Yeah, I'll get it when I get to the bottom.
Tilda.
It's actually going to help me this way.
I'd rather have pushed it down before you went down.
I know. That's why I didn't want you to do it. All right.
That's a cheat. Putting your cup up.
That's steep way down, too.
It is very steep. Hey, Wyatt. Or how'd you guys come down off that rock? Just right down
Yep.
here?
All right, Wyatt's in the lead. Guess we're going to find out. The 49.5-degree incline.
I did it last night. I hugged that wall. I just like put my tires around it and hugged that top wall.
Woo!
That's what I did. Is that scary? You're almost
Wow.
there.
All right,
Oh,
it's up to me and Liz. I'm going to go.
we don't even have to do that.
I want to. Well,
Okay.
you know what? I'm going to try something totally different.
Oh, Wyatt, you were there.
I know. Just kept on the back.
The ducks here is out here. Here they come. I think he went up right here, right? He went right up here
Yep, left tire on that. Yep,
on the column.
yep, on the column.
You're right in my way.
All right, nice. Hey now.
You're right in my way.
Yeah, knocked me off the edge.
There.
I didn't want to go quite yet. I can't see. Okay, I can come around.
Remember, I fell off of here last night. It's
Yep.
like a fall off on the other side of this rock. Woo! I about did it today. Shoot.
Yeah, there is a. That's why I didn't go any further until I could see what I was doing.
I don't know how you went around there. Oh God, I don't think I have.
You're awful tippy there.
I don't think I have the weight.
You're awful tippy.
Get my back tire off of there and get down. Whew.
Oh, that's close.
Okay. I'm still needing that.
You're
better
sliding?
servo. Huh?
You're sliding. You need better foams.
I need better.
You got too
turn.
much tire roll.
I don't have a turn radius. It's worth a crap. Oh, please, no, don't you do that. Ah!
There it is, Ecto champion round 1. We'll load up and go for round 2.
I couldn't make the turn.
Oh, let's see. Okay.
Okay, here we are, starting out round 2. Wyatt wants some redemption here. He's going to try the same climb that he lost on in the first round. Whew. Nerve-wracking.
Aw, now we got
He made it. All right, up to the Ecto.
I'm next.
Or you're next.
Just did this last night so easy.
Yep.
Now that the pressure's on, I'll probably be able to do it.
Yeah. That is so steep.
I think the Ecto probably will drive right up
I drove so nicely, but last night I don't even know how I did it. I had this wall and I went. Now I can't do it. Great.
Well, you can do it.
Nope. Something's definitely different. Okay, let's get up here better this way. And then get over maybe. Okay.
There you go.
Oh God. Dude, if they even knew how, oh God dang it. It's just not even anything to
You
grip
can do it.
on.
You can do it.
Oh!
Awesome.
Oh, and this is where I turned. Oh God.
Oh yeah, this is, yeah, I remember this.
I failed and I went too far that way. I don't want to do that again.
Okay, you got it.
Save the day.
All right, my turn.
So wait till he might not make it up, Wyatt. So don't wreck. That was what I did last night, which was so stupid.
Not gonna
I
make
wrecked
it
while
up.
he
Oh,
was
look at
going
that! I got Cheerio under my tire. Look at my cup. My cup is not in good shape.
It's just gonna tip.
You want it tipped up on someone. So
I'm gonna get better tape for sure next time. Okay, I'm up.
3 great tracks.
Yeah, these things are just freaking awesome.
3 great tracks to the
Yeah.
top. Hi. Oh man.
Oh,
What am I gonna do?
Wyatt, this hill's tough. Just check out your physics
Yep.
there coming down.
so
Dude. Oh, you saved it. You gotta come down too.
Nice driving, Wyatt.
I don't think we came down this hill last night.
No, I don't think we did either.
God. Oh my God! Oh my God!
You're out of control.
I know, but I'm down. I'm down.
Put on the brakes.
I'm stuck. What happened? Okay. All right, I'm down.
Okay, I gotta get down there.
Success.
I don't know. I think you still got about a minute, maybe. All right, I think I'm gonna make it. Did we try this? I don't think we tried going up this yesterday either.
No, we came down it.
Yeah, we went down it. Haven't tried it yet.
Don't do it. Don't tip it. Don't tip it. Don't tip it. Wyatt. Oh God, it just wants to tip you. Oh.
Oof.
There's a frog.
Where?
Really?
It's under the little rock.
Oh, I see the big toes.
That's it for Wyatt. Wyatt's out.
Oh no.
Liz is
Oh, no.
in the lead now. Is between the Ecto.
Wyatt's out?
Yep, Wyatt's out. Bronco did,
Golly.
or the trx4 Sport did well.
I've got to try it.
Yep, Liz is gonna try it.
I can always back down if I don't want it. I can't do
You
it.
got a half an inch longer wheelbase than what Wyatt had, so you may make a difference.
Does that mean Wyatt's out?
He's out.
Well, if I lose,
The only way he could not be out is if I lost.
okay. And that's, he went up under there.
That's fine.
Little toad about.
So, Wyatt, you got to cheer for your mom because it's up to her to keep you in the game.
Oh, now I'm in deep.
Not looking good.
I'm up here, so I might as well keep fighting, right?
Well, if you want to. You're the leader.
I gotta make the Ecto work. Maybe not. Okay. Let's just come this way.
Okay.
Ecto, you gotta get down. You may tip coming down.
Not gonna happen.
Alright.
Where are you gonna try to lose me?
Careful here. I don't want to lose a Cheerio, or at least bounce. Okay.
What do you think of the course? What do you think about it? Yeah.
There's so much more hard stuff.
Yeah. I mean, we're barely, I mean, there's so much stuff that we haven't even tried. We don't even know how hard it is. Well,
you gotta go up my same line.
how'd you do that? What was your line?
They're straight up that rock. Yep.
Isn't that what he's just doing?
Well, I guess. It's over the right a little bit.
Go down the steep thing.
I'm gonna try to work my way around. Oh God, don't let me fall off the edge.
Tires not in a good spot.
No, I just need to keep backing up. It'll be fine.
Yep.
Okay, just need to get over this sucker and not fall off that edge over there. There we go. Okay. Whew. That's where I want to be. Okay, now.
That is where you want to be?
Uh-huh.
Oh my. Oh my goodness.
All right, Ecto, come on. Catch up with me.
Okay.
Jeez.
I know, thank God I got squished. You have to be competitive when you're against that Ecto. So I'm taking him to some scary places.
That's a hard little maneuver.
I know it.
That big guy protects you though.
Uh-huh, it does. It protects that. Set. I Oh, that means Wyatt and I are both out.
You're both out.
Ecto wins the
Let's see here.
game.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish this.
Son of a gun, I should have stopped.
The cup might have protected the top a little bit.
Where were you gonna go?
Straight over that thing, straight ahead, and then down to the left where my Cheerio is. No, down.
I'm gonna try something different.
Tough, isn't it, Wyatt? You made this thing a beast. The next one's concrete. We'll have to do that and redo all these little ones, some extras. Wyatt, when we went up this hill last night, this slate at the top of this.
There I am. Right where I belong.
Oh, stop it. This
Right on the
slate-
top of Pride Rock.
This slate up here, Wyatt, doesn't let you grip on. It's so slick. So you have to find ways to. This slate right there, your tires.
Yeah, we wanted our tires to grab it and help us, but it doesn't.
It's hard. Oh, I'm. Oh, there.
Ooh.
Crunch. What hill? This one? Yeah, we did last night, but it's really, really hard.
Follow this little path.
Huh?
You followed this path.
No, we haven't done that one. We went up it that way. And the front's really hard. We didn't even go on the new bridge.
Get out of your way, Wyatt.
Did you read, Jason?
Yeah. You can make it. Oh! Man.
It makes these trucks flex their muscles.
Ooh,
Well, there's
Wyatt about went down.
there's a fall off.
Okay, there's the real champ. All right, everybody. So that was a lot of fun. 3-way Cheerio challenge. We'll have to find another 3 trucks and bring them out here and try them out. I tried to talk Liz into bringing the Vanquish out, but she's afraid to hurt it.
I think it'd be pretty scratched up by now.
Yeah. But anyways, if you like this content, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.
Happy Father's Day, everybody.
I'm gonna try a different line though. I'm gonna come around this way.
Do like wider tires. Yeah. I wonder how the capper and the Ecto will do.
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Oh, right there is where it went down. I'll have to remember that.
Yep. Oh, that's gonna be a tough one. George don't even care.
He knows we're not gonna get
His
around
eyes are closed. He's like, you guys ain't gonna make it over here. There's no way. It's impossible.
He sure can't.
You might be right.
It's tough.
All right, I say we call it quits.
This hill's a killer.
Yep. Good night.